Welcome to the heart of industrial might. Today, we go inside this massive steel factory to explore the processes that...
Welcome to the heart of industrial innovation. Today, we're going deep inside this massive steel facility to see how the future is forged.
This is where the journey begins. The raw iron ore travels along these belts, heading straight for the blast furnace This is where the raw iron ore begins its journey. As you can see, the conveyor system transports the material.
The precision required to manage this transformation is immense. We are talking about temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees Celsius.
Here we see the raw power of the transformation, but it is the precision, the exact control of this incredible heat that defines the quality.
Right now, this crane is lifting tons of ore towards the blast furnace. It is an incredible display of industrial power.
As you can see behind me, the crane is now charging the furnace. This material will be molten steel within minutes.
As you can see, the molten metal flows at over 1000 degrees Celsius, a critical stage in the refining process.
This is the heart of the operation. The blast furnace reaches temperatures over 2500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing the iron to finally flow.
As you can see on the monitor, the scanner analyzes the ore for both purity and density in real time. If the density matches
The scanning process allows us to determine the exact composition. As you can see on the screen, we're achieving 98%.
We're currently looking at an unprecedented throughput rate, thanks to these newly installed high-speed conveyors moving the ore directly to the furnaces.
As you can see, the throughput here is incredible. These belts move over 1,000 tons of ore every hour, 24 hours a day. This is where the magic happens. These drums crush over 10 tons of rock per hour, and the sparks alone are...
This is where the process begins. The ore is fed into these massive crushers, transforming solid rock into dust.
As you can see, the oxygen flow is stable, but these temperature metrics are spiking rapidly. We need to monitor the furnace control pulses closely.
We are currently monitoring a significant spike in the furnace temperature metrics. But as the oxygen flow graph shows,
this is it, the moment we've all been waiting for. The transformation stage is now active.
This is it, the moment we've been waiting for. We are now entering the transformation stage. Look at that power.
Utilizing these state-of-the-art robotic transfer arms, we can move the molten iron directly to the molds with virtually no heat loss.
The process you see here is revolutionary. By utilizing these robotic systems, we can transport the molten iron to the...
Right now, the oxygen hits the molten iron at supersonic speeds, oxidizing the impurities in a spectacular blaze.
Look at that reaction. The pure oxygen is purging the carbon, superheating the metal, and creating this blinding light.
We're now adding the essential elements, chromium, nickel, and manganese. As you can see on the display,
as you can see on the interface, we precisely dose the chromium, nickel, and manganese. The automated arm
going to occur. As you can see behind me, the transformation is now complete. This glowing molten steel.
We've seen the entire process, from raw ore to this glowing liquid steel. This transformation is now complete, setting a new standard for us all.
Steel is the silent foundation of modern infrastructure, working tirelessly beneath our feet and above our heads.
Steel is the backbone of our modern world. It is, quite literally, the silent foundation of our infrastructure, supporting everything we build.
It is hard to imagine a world without steel. It shapes our everyday lives and powers the engine of global progress.
Look around you. Steel doesn't just build our world, it shapes it. It is the foundation of our every.
We stand at the precipice of a new era. But what unseen forces truly shape the modern world?
We stand at the precipice of a new era, driven not just by machines, but by the unseen forces of human curiosity that shape modern industry.
Steel is essential to modern life, but it's the continuous discovery of new applications that truly fuels our progress.
Steel is the backbone of modern progress. And here at the forefront of innovation, we see how every new discovery builds a stronger future.
We are witnessing the fusion of knowledge and momentum. This is the heart of industrial innovation, and it's happening right here, right now.
Here at the intersection of knowledge and momentum, we find the true spirit of industrial innovation.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.